Welcome to the world of Kit Kat Skincare by Fat Cat Skincare. Meet our adventurous friends, Sofia, Alejandro, and Lorenzo.
Hi everyone, I'm Sofia. Today we're going to learn all about protecting our skin from the sun with our Adventure Sunscreen Lotion 25. Let's start with the magic ingredient, non-nano zinc oxide. Non-nano zinc oxide is like a tiny shield that sits on top of your skin. Imagine a giant shield that covers you as it blocks the bad UVA and UVB rays from the sun, keeping your skin safe while you have fun. Your shield of non-nano zinc oxide protects you in water too.
Hey dudes, I'm Alejandro, and I love surfing and water sports. Did you know our Adventure Sunscreen Lotion 25 is waterproof? That means it stays on even when you're swimming or sweating. But remember, we need to reapply it every 80 minutes to keep our skin protected. Sunscreen is super important because it stops our skin from getting burned and helps us stay safe in the sun.
What's up, everyone? I'm Lorenzo. I love skateboarding and hiking. Did you know that the sun can damage our skin if we're not careful? Our Adventure Sunscreen Lotion 25 is awesome. It helps prevent burns and keeps our skin healthy. And don't forget, if you get scrapes or bruises while playing, our salves, balms and body butter can help your skin heal faster. Always take care of your skin to stay adventurous and have fun.
Hey friends, after a fun day of sunscreen and play, it's bath time! Our gentle aloe body wash is perfect. It won't burn your eyes and is super gentle on your skin. With soothing aloe vera and plant-based coca glucoside, it cleans without irritation. For a deeper cleanse, use our jojoba wax-beaded body wash. The tiny wax beads are gentle and safe. On nighttime adventures, the body butter acts as a natural bug repellent. That's awesome! Did you know our after sun dry skin body butter soothes sun-kissed skin and keeps bugs away? With geranium and peppermint essential oils, you'll stay bug-free and enjoy your campfire adventures without any pesky interruptions. Plus, cassava root softens and calms your skin. Remember kids, our Adventure Sunscreen Lotion 20V with non-nano zinc oxide is your skin's best friend in the sun.
It's safe for the ocean and pools, so you can enjoy the water without harming the environment.
And it keeps you protected while you explore, skate and play.
Thanks for joining us on this skincare adventure. Stay safe, have fun, and always protect your skin with Kit Kat Skincare by Fat Cat Skincare.